Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like my video. I would very appreciate that. And I'm going to try something new in my traveler's notebook. I'm going to create a window in a window in my page, and that's a bit scary because, as you see, I'm cutting and going to tear the pages, and yeah, that's scary because you never know if you have enough, or well, enough is not so worse, but if you have too much, you can never do that again. Oh, when I'm looking out of my window, it's snowing at this moment. I didn't expect that still coming over here in the Netherlands. I don't hope it stays, but I don't think so. And um, I hope it will succeed. Well, you will see in a few moments. And if it doesn't succeed, then I glue all the pages together. But this will be the window. And at this page, I have this is from a book, and I painted that with some colors over it, and then you already have a very nice effect. I will do a little bit more because I think what I want to put inside is a bit bigger. I'm inking the edges as well. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's just the finishing touch. It's burned. There is a burning in my book, and I needed to relax a little bit. I had a stupid thing when I was cooking. I was trying. I needed to have a can of chopped tomatoes, and as you always know, nowadays you have a inside a can opener. There is a little ring on the top of the can, so you can easily open the can. Well, we all know that, but I tried to open the can with that little ring on top, and that broke off. That's always very irritating. But that wasn't the worst. At the moment, I looked in my cupboard for a can opener, an old-fashioned can opener. I found it, but when I tried it, the can opener broke. Well, that was stupid. I mean, you can't imagine such stupid things to happen, but and I was in a hurry, of course, because you're already, the pan is on fire, and it's heated, and so I took another can of chopped tomatoes, so I could finish my dinner. But now I have a can with half open and a broken can opener. Well, that was my disaster of the night. So then I thought I want to relax a little bit and to try something new. And this is the window, and of course I'm going to jack that up, of course, a little bit more with some washi tape and some other nice things I found. And by drawing the lines, you see that it dripped a little bit. So I'm going to cover that up, and washi tape is very good for that, to cover up all the awful places. But I like the effect of the window in the window. It's quite warm, a warm effect. Well, I need that. It's still snowing outside. It's not on the pavement. It's we call that wet snow, because it's not on the floor. Then it's already the ground is already is too hot to that it will stay there, luckily. And I'm finishing it with some lovely stickers. And I must say, I like the effect what it is. It's a very warm picture. And if you like this video, please give a like. I will give you everything, of course, a bit closer look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here you have a closer look. You see the edges are a little bit colored, but I think the effect is very well, and also very nice that what is on the next page, if you have a page where there is a lot of paint or something else, then you can cover up that as well. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a pleasant day and hope to see you soon. Bye bye!